Before starting this video, I will tell you three things. One, this is a very unique website that I have created for commerce faculty, student and aspirant. Two, you can access that your website URL in the description box. Very importantly, access that. And three, please subscribe to my Vision Academy YouTube channel so that it will help me, it will motivate me to do much more work like this. Hello all, welcome to Vision Academy. Today is a very special day for the commerce community. You might have been thinking what is the special of today, because today I am going to publish my website, which is Vision Academy in Commerce. As you know, I am making video relating to commerce and statistics Excel. This is the introductory video for my website, in which you will learn how can you access website and what are the materials are included in my website. Before that, let us introduce myself. I am Sundar, working as assistant professor in commerce at Government First Aid College for Women, Hola. I have passed NET exam 5 times, 3 times in OBC category, 2 times in GM. Also I have passed Karnataka State Eligibility Test. Since I am trying to pass NET and SLET exam, I used to be with most of the groups in national level and international level in Facebook, WhatsApp, Instagram and Hive, where too many people were used to share their materials. It could be the important author books, it could be a long essay, it could be a PPT, it could be a coaching center, ready-made notes, it could be also audio, video and so many things. What I done is, I used to gather all the materials since 5 years, and most of the time people used to ask me for the material to pass NET and SLET exam. When the demand increases, I thought to develop a website for this, so that through that website I can share my materials to the aspirants, those the aspirant who are aspiring for the materials. I promise you, if you come across this website, you don't need a coaching center, because in this website most of the coaching center materials are already there. The most of the genius person shared notes, audios, videos, PPT, books and referred books, most of the materials are available in this website. So my website name called Vision Academy Commerce. What you will have in my website, that's about a website, you will have a brief information. This website specifically made to help the competitive exam aspirant in commerce, very importantly for the commerce. Also in this website you will access to the first paper NET and SLET exam materials along with question paper, and you can access the exams like in commerce exams like NET exam, SLET exam, whatever college exam, IAS exam, KS exam, whatever the exam relating to commerce, all the materials available in this website. And if you want to know how many materials are available in this website, more than 1300 materials in different file extension are available. Just think of it, more than 1300 file in the form of books. The books are available in the internet, the PDF books, and more than 300 long note files. It could be Excel, PDF or docs, and 400 short note file, that means ready-made notes for each and every topic, and more than 200 multiple choice question files. I'm not telling about 200 MCQ, 200 files which include most of the multiple choice question, which may be college exams and NET exam question paper, and more than 60 videos also are there which are made by me, and more than 150 audios for first paper and second paper also there, and more than 100 PPTs are available in this website which are uploaded to SlideShare. So what do you want more than this? Just visit to Vision Academy Commerce website. If you ask me who can visit my Vision Academy website, the commerce student can visit to this website, because which include materials for commerce student for their academic purpose, and which mostly it is concentrated on NET and SLET exam aspirant. For the NET and SLET exam aspirant, for them the audios, videos, multiple choice question, NET exam question paper, KSET exam question paper, and materials in the form of PPT, docs, PDF and much more. Also, not only for commerce people, also other aspirant in NET and SLET exam for first paper, they can also visit to this website, because for first paper NET and SLET exam papers is also available. More importantly, I would like to clear one thing, that the most of the coaching center books and most of the famous author books and many materials are here, and the materials are embedded from somewhere, okay, which are not prepared by me. Actually, I have accumulated all the material to help the NET and SLET aspirant. It means all the rights for the coaching center and the authors are left with them only. I am not trying to make any modification for the materials given by me. Actually, I am assistant professor, and I studied all those material, and I passed NET exam for 5 times. I also passed KCET exam, and I also passed my passed assistant professor recruitment exam, and I am working since 3 years. I'm working as assistant professor. So friends, this is an introductory video that how you can access to my website, what are all the things are available in the website, and how can you access. And I have prepared a Google site website, and I have uploaded all the files to my Google Drive. You can download any sort of material from my Google Drive. All are uploaded to Google Drive. Friends, I say this is a one tip solution for all the searches in commerce. If you are desperately worrying about to have a materials, if you are unable to search for the right material, if you do not have a money to buy a material from coaching center, money to buy books, the reputed material, you can visit to this website. Friends, I request you to subscribe to my Vision Academy YouTube channel so that it can motivate me to do much more work like this. Now let us go to our website to explore more. After clicking on the respected URL, it will direct to my website. This is my website of home. If you click here, look at this, the top of the website, there are some icons. You can click and go through that. So in the home there is a details about this website, why I have created this, and what is the intention of this website. And if you come to the bottom of the website, there are some social media icon. If you click on the social media icon, it will direct to the respected account of me, which are the integrated to this website. I have made a social media integration. So for example, if you click on YouTube, it has directed to my YouTube account. That's a Vision Academy. It's my YouTube channel. Please do subscribe to my Vision Academy for more videos relating to commerce and management. There are more than 60 videos in this website. And in the same way, if you click on the respected icon, I will click now the slide share icon. It will lead to the respected website. So in the slides share also, there are 64 PPTs of me originally uploaded by me. You can relating to commerce and management. You can download this. And if you click on the about me, it shows the about me, and from where there to now, how I am, who I am, what is my qualification and designation, all my vision and about me in this, and my employment details in education, my employment details in industry, administrative experience, MOOC courses completed, training programs completed, and the participated as resource person. Those details are there. And if you go to the subject thought, you will come to know the teaching experience of me. Here the interested areas of me, the specialization of me, and interested soft skills which are acquired by me, and subjects taught by me for UG, PG and PUC, computer languages and packages I know. Those things you will come to know. And if you click on the research and activity icon, you can understand my engage with research. I have published 4 international article and 1 national article, and national level conference workshop attended, and state level workshop attended, and seminar attended. And from me I have organized some of the workshop and survey. Those things also there. And student supervision, so far I have guided for 25 students for project report. That details is also there. And going to more, here you can see 2 icon. One is contact, one more is codes. In the contacts you will come to know about my contact, like in the as you know, there's a social media integration and Facebook integration and WhatsApp contact and email ID also. And some I am also interested in writing codes. Very importantly, writing codes. I have wrote so many codes. Some of codes are still in raw sense, so those codes also will come to know. If you are interested, please look at this codes also. And very importantly, here there is an icon called net kset material. For this only this website is prepared, and if you click on this net and kset material, it will lead to the materials page. That look at here, very neatly, nicely I have segregated all the materials based on the nature of material, type of the document, and so on. And in here in this first heading, you can see audio lectures on first paper for net and kset material, and second paper, and also famous authors audios also there. Famous authors means like Philip Kotler audios, and here first paper audio in this folder, and here the respected audios for on the based on the first paper and second paper topics. And come down, if you will see here, books and long notes on accounting. So based on the subjects also I have segregated to make to not to make you push you in the confuse. I wish to make it very clear for you. And if you click on the respected icon, look at here, when you given a cursor on it, it is showing a blue color. If you click on this, it will direct to my Google Drive. All the materials are uploaded to Google Drive. From Google Drive you can download after viewing the type of material, type of the file, and the type of topic, and you can download it from my Google Drive. So it is about accounting, which is actually in the form of books and long notes usually like essay, and it is for business policy and environment, and about corporate governance, which all are for all are nature like books and long notes, and strategic management. And here is about business management. You can see scroll down as like that, business research methodology also, and cost and management accounting, and capital market instrument, and companies law and company act, and very importantly financial management. Too many materials are available on financial management, and human resource management, also international accounting, and international business, and tax. Okay, in the next slide, here it is a managerial economics also, and marketing management, and management of non-profit organizational behavior, and business statistics. In the next heading, it will be short and ready notes. Earlier you looked for books and long notes. Here short and ready notes, ready-made notes, which could be in the form of coaching center notes, which could be in the form of PPT, and ready-made notes for respected topics. In the international accounting, short and ready notes. Look at here, in the international accounting, additional on international accounting, and financial and banking institution, and additional notes on financial and banking institution. These are in the form of short and ready notes for your kind information. And business economics, and if you scroll down like that, there are many topics based on many subjects like business environment, strategic management, corporate governance, and business management. Here the strategic management, that is actually, and business statistics, and capital market and money market, management account and cost account, financial management. And the financial management, there are too many short notes, international financial management, and forex foreign exchange management, and HRM, international business. There are too many notes on each and every topic, every subjects in fact. Okay, and tax additional, and mixed subject. In this, when I unable to segregate based on subject, maybe credit rating agency, competition act, like that. I have pushed in cocktail, like cocktail or mixed subjects and extension of mixed subjects. And here very importantly, it is website not only made for commerce and management student faculty, also for first paper seeker. Look at here about higher education, people and environment, research, teaching, and many files. If you open this folder, you will see much more files also. And short and ready notes. Here these three files are some of the genius person made all notes, all the subject notes in one single PDF. So which are the very important short notes for all the subject. And if you scroll down here, look at here, very importantly, guidelines and strategies for passing NET or SLET exam. There are some guidelines given by some coaching center, that also I have embedded here. And very importantly, multiple choice question with answer. Look at here there is a folder, here also folder, too many multiple choice question based on the subjects from maybe coaching center or colleges. I have gathered here, too many multiple choice question papers are there. And NET and SLET exam question paper also there are some folder based on which I have segregated this, and too many question paper you can find it here. So this is about the NET and SLET exam material. I think you will find almost all the material relating to NET and KCET exam. In the more, if you click on the MCOM study materials, more than 65 videos relating to MCOM, which could be on assignment problem, transportation problem, forwards and futures contract, SPSS software, Excel video, also on SWAYAM, the SWAYAM guidelines. And along with that, more than 70 PPTs are there in the form of different topics, which are specifically going to helpful for the NET and SLET aspirant, also for the MCOM students. Hopefully I will end up this video. This is the introductory video on how you can access my website, what are the things are available in my website. I wish you desperately waiting for this kind of video, because you cannot find any video that provide these too many information, these too many materials for NET and SLET aspirant. Even you can join to the coaching center, you have to pay some amount for coaching center getting material and whatever. So, and I hope this is a very useful video. You can also contact me via these social medias. I am available, and I am always eager to help you. Thank you so much. Do not forget to share this video if you wish to your neighbors, friends, and the aspirant who are working on this, and also subscribe to my Vision Academy YouTube channel. Thank you so much.